Hello guys, thank you so much again for joining me here. We are reviewing today the DeWALTS 7 pieces impact socket. Impact socket guys set. This is for your impact drill, specifically for the impact drills or the air drill. That's very good guys. When you see a block socket set or a lug nut removal guys, it is for the impact. If you can just see chrome or steel, that is just for a mechanical or for engine. Yeah, you can use it for your lug nut removal as well, but it cannot be, technically it will, but it is not designed for the impact drill or the impact air drill guys. But this block is for the impact. See guys, this it says impact, and this is very durable steel. What I love in it guys of DeWalt guys, what I love with DeWalt, what I love with DeWalt is a lifetime warranty. If this will be broken, anything here, the one piece, you can replace it anytime guys. If your replacement is broke again or default, you can use it and you can get your receipt and change it again. You can change it over and over guys, because that's the best part of their hand tools and their tools. It's a lifetime warranty. Alright guys, and there is a case. I'm loving it because there is a case guys. This is not a T-stack, but nice because it has its own thing. There you just get here guys, open all of that, and voila. Okay, it is start from number 17. Basically guys, all your lug nut is start at 16 or 17 anyway. 17, so you are covered guys. This is for the sedan or the regular. Number 18 and until the 24. This is a big one guys. What I love it is long, like right it guys. This is very freaking nice. I love it guys. I buy this because sometimes a decking, or I am a trade guys. I am studying trade. I will not use this for, I'm not using this guys for mainly for auto. No, I am using this guys for the decking or fences or framing that need to be bolted. Okay, the you need a bad boy on this, guys. Okay, you need a bad boy. I have here the DeWalt XR. This is the mid torques, guys. It has 2-speed, low and high. So this is only for the impact, because look at it, guys. This is just all just fit there. Okay, let's see the bad boys. It is low and high. Yeah. All right, guys. Oh my God. All the how did tanggal this one? Shit. Okay, guys, all the connection, guys, or the connector are just really designed for the impact. Okay, so you will not gonna use this on the small wrench. There is a wrench, but I believe, guys, I suggest that you will use this on the impact only. So yeah, that is it, guys. And the good thing, guys, you can take this out. You can take this out if you have an organizer in your garage. Yeah, or you can put this in the, like that, or anyone, or your toolbox. So if you want another one. Okay, guys, let's go on and try this bad boy.